did 2 seminars today here in the school and I liked the atmosphere very much. The coach did prepare his students very well, so they are high motivated and disciplined. First, you remember, go. Then this way. Here, you control, look here, look up. Here, you control with this little finger. And then here. Down. And then here. Pressure. Perhaps you can this one. So here you block his energy and here you catch his finger. So, this first. Second. And then here's the pressure point. So he comes down. And here, when you have the little finger, you can make his arm longer. So that is the point. It's very uncomfortable for him. Protect your head and then go here, short way behind. Use your, for example, jeans jacket is a self-defense situation. Yeah, you have not a judo gi, for example, a t-shirt or yeah, you close here and then you roll this way. Again, so I will follow here, but I go this way, and then and go here, and then lift up and bam! Yeah, go with 81 kilo I have on this short rib.